Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Crazy Constructions, where today we're going to learn how to construct an equilateral triangle. So let's go over the rules quick. So you only are allowed to use a compass and a straight edge. You can use a ruler, but you can't use the markings here because that's against the rules of constructions. So I'm going to use the unmarked side, just like this. So today we're going to do an equilateral triangle, and this is one of my favorite constructions because it's super cool. Now, what makes an equilateral triangle an equilateral triangle? Well, the definition of equilateral triangle is a triangle where all three sides are an equal length. Now, from the first episode, we know that if we measure this distance and draw a line using this, it's going to be the exact same length as AB. No different. So another thing that we should remember from the first episode is that if we draw a circle, every point on the circle is the exact same distance away from the center, and that distance is the radius. So if we put this right here at A and draw a circle like this with AB as the radius, every point on the circle will be length AB away from A. So let's do that, but let's only draw a small arc in this area. And this means if we draw a line from A to any of these points on this arc, it's going to be of length AB. Now, since all three sides have to be equal in an equilateral triangle, we're going to do the same thing from B. We're going to draw an arc of length AB. So every point on this arc is the exact same length away from B. Now, since this is an equilateral triangle, the third point has to be the exact same distance away from A and B. So point C has to be AB away from A, and it has to be AB away from B. And as we can see, these two arcs intersect at exactly one point. This point is the same distance away from A as it is from B. And this means that this is the third point, C, that we're looking for the equilateral triangle. So let's draw a line from A all the way over to C. Became a bit wobbly at the end. Let's draw from C to B. And just like that, we have constructed an equilateral triangle. So like I said, this is one of my favorite constructions. I'll see you next episode where we learn how to construct the perpendicular bisector of a line.